Today I'm going to show you how you convert a standard pressure reducing valve to a pressure reducing valve with solenoid override. This type of application is generally used for remote operation, for isolation of a network in an emergency, or for remote rezoning. We'll begin by removing the plug at the rear of the pilot. We will replace the plug with the solenoid actuator. Next, we will remove the plug from the filter. The plug is replaced with a 6mm pipe fitting. Next step is to install the 3-2 solenoid. Once the solenoid is in place, we will add the vent line. Finally, once the vent line is in position, we can tighten up the assembly. Once the solenoid is in place, you would generally activate it with a remote signal, or in this instance through a switch. Activating the solenoid will close the valve fully, and when deactivated, the valve will return to its original downstream setting. And that is how you convert a standard AVK Series 859 pressure reducing valve to a pressure reducing valve with solenoid override.